And I just want to say thanks to all the viewers that's watching and seeing this. And we appreciate every cent that you have contributed into this. And we pray that the Lord will continue to bless you and make your way prosperous.
Alright then. Grandma?
Yeah. Well, give thanks to all of them that send this for Damari. Then the store basket never empty. God gonna open more and more doors for you. Thank you, Lord. God bless you.
Yeah.
I'm in love only do for you. I tell the tears in my eye.
Can't hear you.
Thank you so much.
Can't
God
hear.
bless you. And more doors gonna open in Jesus' name.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Afraid.
What you say you want?
I want everything. I need everything.
You need everything.
By the blessing of the Lord in TrenchTown.
Yeah.
Irie. Give thanks.
Every time.
Just have to come and say the man I'm ready to come this thing. sing Sunday.
I saw this. Go on back down there, sir. Go on a daddy. Go on a daddy. Go on a daddy. Yeah. Well, see, whatever body call me and tell me say, yo, Damari I go walk again, you know. The amount of phone call me get boy, you know. Yeah, the viewers them on the donors them see it. And then I really feel it feel.
Yeah.
And I go to mommy.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
How everything?
Everything good.
Everything good.
Yeah, man.
How old is now? Are your son this?
Yeah.
My son. Can't see the resemblance, man. You see there? What's your name?
Damari.
Damari name too?
Yeah, like
Yeah. Say again Damari as well. Damari Junior. Eh, Damani.
Damali.
Oh, Damali.
Yeah, me name Damari.
Oh, so Damari and Damali. So you and him there play a game. Father and son. So everything alright though, young one?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
You being a good boy? Make sure, you know, do the right thing, okay?
Yes.
And always listen to daddy. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, you doing good in school? Alright, then continue, you know. I will keep check up on you, yeah? I will looking for you to do good for daddy, right? And mommy as well too. Yeah, so everything they work out with the pull-ups and fit and everything.
Yeah, man, pull up some good man, yeah, man.
Fit you. Yeah, man, we'll bring over some more next time we'll come over. Just because we depend on some different other walk around. So we'll give out some donations. So donors they contact me and I bring a donation for you as well too. So the next time I come, I'll definitely bring some more pull-ups and the belt spread them female as well too.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm kinda like when I come and see her sit up. I tell you that these are the things that I never see after the first time I come here. You know.
I tell you something, I can see over there, but one time I couldn't do this. One time I sit down upon the edge, I tell you something, I drop back.
Yeah.
Couldn't do this now at all.
Baja. Yeah. I remember Baja they come here, you know.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man.
Come here, Baja. I remember Baja they come here as well too. I kind of understand say Baja family, Baja baby mother related
Yeah, man.
as well to him. You didn't know that?
Yeah, man. Yeah, you tell me, man.
Yeah. And we hear a sad news as well about Dali.
Yeah.
You know, I not really get a chance to go and visit Body Cat yet.
Through up and down.
Yeah.
Yeah, see man.
Yeah, because I'm up and down every time I call him saying they're on the road. So when I get a chance now to go highlight the situation or kind of I give the donors them a heads up and the viewers them about Miss Dali, who passed away as well too, and Damari is also Dali's grandson. You know, and it's so sad to say that she passed away, you know, so we have to go speak to Body Cat and find out
Yeah, man.
what went down in the situation, you know.
Yeah,
Hello.
And she take care of them and that.
Oh, and she take care of him?
She care of my doctor, she tied him and do everything.
Yeah. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Tiny.
Tiny?
Yeah, my current name is Annette Poole, but my pet name is Tiny.
Okay. So now you've been doing a good deed that help out Damari and all them things.
Well, to be honest with you, it's been a struggle, but to God be the glory. As time goes by, we have been overcoming our struggles.
Yeah.
So we got to have you trying to forfeit and to help out whatever, in whatever way you can and so forth. But yeah, I will give thanks for everybody who is on this cable right now.
Yeah, man. I really thank you, you know, for being supporting him and being looking out for him. Because that's also a blessing for what you is doing as well too. You know. So it's a blessing in disguise we don't even know about, to be honest.
To be honest with you, being a family friend, because his father was a very good friend of mine. Well, 1 and 2 talk with the mother, but being as I am having sickle cell and asthma, you know, and the father has passed, you know, I just promise to do what I can do for him.
So you also have sickle cell and asthma as well?
Yeah, but my belief in him is he's going to walk. Amidst everything, takes a time, but faith is come a far way, as you can see.
Yeah.
And God, we just leave God to the rest.
Yeah, that's for sure.
One time put them pick up.
Yeah, because you know, it's not only you. You know, there are a lot of us and a lot of the viewers them and the donors them say the same thing, say he's gonna walk again. And even someone that phoned and said they used to be in the same situation, but maybe not by gunshot, and then he will start walk again. He's fully fit and he's walking again, and them can sit because of things where him do now. Them used to go through the same thing, and so they know that he's gonna definitely walk again. So thank you so much for what you've been doing, because I want to continue, because as I say, Father God has been a blessing in store, because he also suffer from sickle cell.
Yeah.
And also you have asthma.
Yeah.
You use a pump for the asthma.
Yeah, we use pump and prednisone and such.
Okay, and for the sickle cell?
For sickle cell painkillers, we have Penadine, Cetadine, and the rest of it.
So she's not even well herself, she's not even fully healthy, and she's doing a good job as well to looking out for Damari. So it's really a blessing. Cause see, Damari, there's a reason why you're still alive, you know? There's a reason why you're still here. So your job not finish. You know, your job not finish. And so you have a young junior right here, so definitely I look up to you. You know, so things are happening.
Best work out hard, you know?
You got to child. I believe that some counseling would be good for him.
Some counseling will be good for him?
Yeah, for him. But sometimes when you sit down, you don't know what is going on the inside.
Yeah.
I think missing mother or probably is being traumatized over the situation. Knowing that his father is always up and active.
Yeah.
And now his father is being laid aside. So as a young kid, they still don't know what is happening in the mind.
True.
But you see the person up and about, but at the end of the day,
you don't know what's in the mind. And that's so true. We definitely would need some counseling, because words you don't really speak much, don't you?
No.
See, and that's it. That's where it's gone in the mind now, because it seems like he's been thinking. So he definitely need counseling. You know, I remember 7 now, yes, right? 8 now. So I definitely need the counseling. That's a good idea, and I like that suggestion. That can definitely help out the situation as well too.
And that school will be opening in September. Hopefully it will open. You know, probably with the counseling session they might can grasp more better.
Yeah.
And can perform a good work.
Yeah. So alright then, we're not cut this. So Damari, we don't talk about the situation over there when you say you could them could take off the bag.
With the people bag.
The people bag.
They cause a test, like a money.
Yeah.
Or probably they say 50,000 to do it.
50,000, well, just for the test, just to remove it.
The test, I'm going to learn me inside of me and them little thing there.
Okay.
With my bladder, people back.
Yeah. So after the test, now them can determine if to remove it or what. And that's what, $50,000. So even that we can try and see if we can get support on that as well too. We'll try in the best possible way we can get the help for you. And also that's one of them as well too, for the test, which is $50,000. So you know, we definitely will continue and try to get support for you. So whenever we can get anything, you know, we can put something aside or whatever you get, and we can see if we can build up to the money same way. And you know, once they watch the video, we can try and get some form of support for you. Yeah, so I have donation for you. You know, gonna make it all as well. So we have Jennifer and Jermaine. So you alright for count money, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's the way I got me.
So So we have Jennifer and Jermaine from Brampton, $10,000. So Jennifer and Jermaine. So after you count, you can just tell them thanks.
What is the name again?
Jennifer and Jermaine.
Give thanks to Jennifer and Jermaine. Make your football stick never empty. Appreciate what you do for me,
Yeah.
Give thanks, more love.
Alright then. So that's Jennifer and Jermaine. And we also have Erica from Canada. $11,000 from Erica from Canada. All that for you.
Erica.
Yeah, from Canada.
Erica from Canada. Give thanks, Appreciate what you're doing for me. Make your football stick never empty. And more love, yeah?
Yeah, every time. So good thanks. I also have this one is unknown from the US. $13,000 from unknown from the US.
Unknown.
Yeah, so you don't want any name calling, so they're gonna be unknown.
Unknown. Give thanks, More love. Make your football stick never empty. And I appreciate what you're doing for me.
Alright then, so we give thanks to all the donors then that reach out to Damari, and we'll always continue, and we'll always ask him if we can continue to reach out for him same way as we can hear the situation, because we're definitely gonna be here for him on this journey. Looking forward to seeing him walk again, So that's our mission, and we're gonna definitely continue to do that. So big up on yourself, our donors that reach out to Damari, and also so we can continue to do so. We have his son here, who we have to also be a guidance as well too. And we also need counseling. So situation we never know, it can make him traumatized, because we not say they really speak much.
Don't me talk, but sometimes when I say sometimes you just give me beer trouble, you see me?
Yeah.
But you should know some of now want to give me trouble, because I don't want them to give me a talk, you see me?
Yeah.
It's that, As when I say when I talk about the mother,
Okay.
cry, you see me? They really to talk about her and show the picture. It's that, you see me?
Yeah.
I never dream about her. You see me?
Yeah, so definitely that needs some counseling. Definitely. So you're gonna try and listen to your daddy now? You're gonna do it for us? Yeah? We're gonna try and help you now. So you have to help your daddy. But you have to start off by listening when daddy talk, yeah? Don't listen to no one outside. You have to listen to who's inside, your grandma and your daddy, and also have the lady that look after your dad. Yeah? So you have to look after your dad. Just always listen to him, yeah? Because I come check up on you very regular. Yeah? And if you feel like you can make a walk on with the team as well to help out. You want to help out as well too? See? We have a job for you then, right? So okay, and it pull. Alright then, so.
And I just want to say thanks to all the viewers that's watching and seeing this. And we appreciate every cent that you have contributed into this, and we pray that the Lord will continue to bless you and make your way prosperous.
Alright then. Grandma?
Yeah. Well, give thanks to all of you that send this for Damari. When the store basket never empty. God gonna open more and more doors for you. Thank you, Lord. God bless you.
Yeah.
And I love all you do for you. I tell the tears in my eye.
Can't hear you.
Thank you so much.
Can't
God
hear.
bless you. And more doors gonna open in Jesus' name. Thank you. It is a blessing.
It's a blessing, man. The blessing's gonna continue to keep pouring, It's definitely gonna continue, because you can't hear it in the voice and we see the struggle. The viewers and the donors them also see it, so we're definitely gonna try and get the support for now, okay?
Yeah.
And as I said, when I come up here, I'm going to bring some more of the pull-ups them for him and also for the bedspread. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So let's go on all strong soon, man. Damari?
More love and give thanks again, you hear that?
Yeah, man.
Appreciate what they do for all the donors, you hear that?
Yeah. Alright then, so take care. Keep it up, it's a progress. You know? Next thing you see, I stand up. You know, but we're going to try and see if we can also line up a therapy for you as well to get some therapy session. That will also help you walk. You know, see a therapist. So we're gonna see what can happen down the line, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man. So everything is in the midst.
Yeah, man.
So everything will happen stage by stage, right? Then big up. Sonny? Alright.
Yeah, James said, as long as they make it straight, no problem.
Eh? Yeah.
See you where?
One gauge total.
Yeah, man.
If you cut both.
don't want to do that.
Yo, it's more slippery though. To leave them in front of you, or if I just do a job. Rasta Messi. At the flank came a dribble upon now, so make sure I clean up the flank where I dribble up. Then I go dribble upon. Man, Rasta Messi a dribble down the flank, so I'm on the flank for look clean.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Big up to the donors, them on the subscribers, you know. It's a good look.
A good look.
Team. I'm going to try to bring it home, you know. I'm going to try. But hard work.
Key to success, you know.
Big up to my donors, man.
Everything got big. Kino. Yeah, referee, well done, referee. Seen that early.
One time.
So that's it, that's. Bling us back. Yeah, I'm dangerous, yo. In no watch height man and who bigger man. Bring it, babe. Alright, come up.
Come on, Tim, we need to go now. Come on. Take it on, man. Take it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.